Hi there, Serial Trader here. Let's check in with weed. And okay, so on the daily candlestick chart here, one thing to point out right away, volume still very low. Traded once again less than 2 million shares today. Way below average volume. And it was a down day, although not severely. Just kind of drifted down from the opening and closed down a bit. But still nothing with that kind of volume, you can't be too concerned about just creeping. I mean, if you had a real strong down day on high volume, that would certainly indicate more heavy selling pressure and more likely to come down and take out this low. And that's just not what I'm currently seeing. Now, as far as shorter term wave stuff, I'm going to lean on the CGC chart on Thinkorswim because it has the most complete data, in my opinion, of everything that I have the ability to look at right now is between weed and CGC, at least short term here. So definitely still have our A up, 5 up for A. Clearly, pretty undeniable here. We have a sideways triangle, likely a wave B, looks very mature. It should break out. I'd be very surprised if this doesn't break out in the next couple days here, maybe even tomorrow, certainly this week. I just can't see it continuing to tighten and continuing to go sideways for that long. It's going to have a resolution and break out this tight range, and likely to the upside here, which is still what I'm expecting. And then we'll be looking at some of these upward targets that I pointed out before. But right now, still just patiently waiting for this to actually do something. And then again, also to highlight, once we have our A up, triangle B, and then we have our C up, unless it really explodes and makes me reconsider that this was a triangle, which I doubt, because this really looks like a triangle. If we get up there and hit some of those fib levels, start rolling back over, that's going to really heavily favor that we're going down in another larger, I'll just go with hourly here, I guess. That'll really heavily favor that we have this initial leg down, then we have an A, triangle B, C up correction, and then have another leg down to complete a larger, perhaps A, B, C, right? Still not enough data to have any confidence as far as that larger wave pattern, although that certainly looks like what could be playing out here. But shorter term, definitely think we got our 5 up for A, triangle B, and then we're waiting for our C. And you can see that this range just keeps getting tighter and tighter and tighter. It's going to break out soon. And I'm watching this carefully. Tomorrow could possibly be it. If not, I just can't see it not coming the next day and making some sort of run here. But we shall see. Check in again later this week. All right, just a quick update for you. Serial Trader signing off.